Today's lesson is on changing mixed numbers, which are known as proper fractions, to improper fractions, and the reverse. We're going to start with a mixed number. This is called a mixed number because it has a whole number and a fraction. And to represent this by pictures, I would have 3 wholes, maybe 3 whole pizzas, and a fourth. And before I can work with this number, if I was going to add it or subtract it or compare it, I would want to get it in improper form, which I'm going to show you. What we would do is take all of the pieces and split them into fourths, because this is in fourths. We would color in 3 holes, 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and a fourth. 1, 2, 3, and 1/4. So far I'm just representing this number as a picture. Now to change it to an improper fraction, I would count all the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That would be my new numerator, and I would keep a 4 on the bottom. So this number changed to an improper fraction is 13/4. Okay, another way I can do this is I can multiply 4 times 3 and add 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13, and that would give me my answer 13/4. And that's a great procedure to use, 4 times 3 plus 1 to get the 13. Keep the 4 on the bottom. But I want you to understand where it comes from when you look at the picture. Let's try another one. Let's say that we have 2 and 1/2. I would represent it as pictures with halves. 1 hole, 2 holes, and a half. I would count the pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and I would keep the denominator the same as a half. And that would be my answer. And if I wanted to do it by multiplying and adding, I could do 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and keep the 2 the same. And that's how you change a mixed number to an improper fraction. Now to do the reverse, which is something you would need to do after you were done working with a number to get it in proper form. Say you have this number, 13/2. Now I tell the kids that this is improper because it has a big head. And you don't want any fractions with big heads. So you need to fix it. And the way to fix it is say to yourself, I need to figure out how many holes are in here. So I start drawing halves, because this is halves. And I draw as many as it takes to get up to 13. Let's see how many I have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is what I've got. I color in those 13 halves. And I figure out that that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes with 1/2 left over. So this is how you change 13/2 to 6 1/2. Another strategy that you can use is what I tell the students is to divide up. If you turn this on its side, 2 goes into 13 6 times. That's where this big 6 comes from. 6 times 2 is 12, and you get a remainder 1. That remainder 1 is put over the 2, and that's how you can get the answer by dividing. Just to make sure we've got it, let's do one more. Let's say you have 15 fourths. Okay? By pictures, I would keep drawing fourths until I get 15 of them. Let's see what I'm up to so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I need some more. 13, 14, 15. So to color in 15 fourths, I had to draw 4 of these circles. And you'll see my new answer will be 1, 2, 3 wholes and 1, 2, 3 fourths. That's how you change this improper fraction to a proper fraction or a mixed number. Another strategy you can use is dividing up. You can take 4 and divide it into 15. 4 goes into 15 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. We get a remainder 3. So the way you write this is a big 3 for this big 3. Remainder 3 stays over 4. Stays over 4. So you can solve it by pictures or by dividing.